Morning, guys. No, it's not morning. It's 12:48, and as usual, I'm from the office. You can see this thing, this hoodie. Kia miracle, so okay, sort of uniform. I stole this lunchtime. I need to do some monthly groceries, so I'm going to take you guys along with me. I hope you are good this month, guys. It's my birth month. I'm so hungry also, and my birthday is on the 29th. I don't have any plans yet. I don't have plans. I don't really do wow things on my birthday, so yeah. Marakeke, I do buy a cake for myself. That is the tradition. We do cake on birthdays. It's hot in the car, and I can park a strating. In the office, only one car is allowed per office, so mine parks on the street. That's why the insurance they are so expensive. And I do change my insurance company now and then, because these people can get so expensive as you go. When you are staying longer with them, the premium goes up every now and then. So I do change my insurance company for a better deal. If those ones keep on increasing my premium, I do go. If they can't beat the lowest, then I move to the lowest. After all, it's insured. But I don't insure my car with any other. There are other people that I will not even bother. I nearly got lost. On the strategy, like municipality do not care about our roads. They are and nto ya ka ya go swara barking ya go swara phone a pedi o jika or you'll find I'm out of range because of it. So yeah, that one is too lighty. Go ahead, a better premium. They went up. I said, oh, bye, look for another one. So Kitsana checkers is I'm not going to Savannah Mall. I'm just going in town, CBD, which I don't really prefer because everyone is going there. It's what Allah. Now I can line, but just for today I'll go just by here. And the reason why I'm doing some groceries during my lunchtime is because in the evening I don't want to be stopping. I need to just go home. I know I will be tired. Comment down below, when are you doing your groceries? In the morning, during lunchtime if you're working, afternoon when you're knocked off, and where do you do your groceries, guys? Checkers is a bit steep, but I'm just stuck with it because I could say, because I really don't know. So where do you do your groceries, guys? I do it at Checkers store. Hey, there's a spa there. It moved. There was a spa there. I think it was hit by the pandemic thing, so they had to close the shop, which was a pity for other people, the employment. So in here we pay for the packing. If you spend 1 hour or more, you will pay 3 rand. But I don't normally spend an hour. I am so fast and I move really fast, guys. I do really move. Tobela. Yes, while we are on that packing system, in town, it's a bit crazy. Immediately when you land on a parking, you are paying 8 rand. And one time I parked and went without paying. It accumulated. I didn't know. So the day when I was going there, I want to park next to the door at least. The other day when I went there to the parking, they just told me you owe 80 something. Like, good grief, you owe 80 something rand. 80 something rand from where? They said, hey, last year September. And I remembered. I just went without paying. But those people were not there. No, I've been waiting here. Those people were not there. So that's why mina I kolot what. Yo, let me just squeeze in here. This guy didn't park properly. Whoa, yo.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now, when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground, so we can fly again. So we can fly again. I've been trying hard not to go out of my mind. And all I need right now is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you.
Hey guys, I'm back from the shops, and first things, I have these kitchen towels. There are 4. Some toilet rolls. Noodles, some snacks, biscuits. I've got 2 tins and lemon creams. Some liners. I have a bleach, foam bath, 2 of these roll-ons, and sunlight bar. Then the rusk, another kind of Zimba lace. Bread for the week, jelly tots, and some pears here. More of noodles for the kids, some rooibos tea, and I have some onion also. A bottle of water, Fanta pan, these are for my daughter's trip. Beans, I got two tins of beans. Al-Shamel, the usual. 3 of the beef, 3 of this. Lucky Star pepper chunks in tomato sauce. I have 2. And 2 of the mild and spicy. This time I was too careful. Last time I bought hot by mistake. Oh, I bought 3. And the eggs, which are expensive. From this grocery, they gave me 7 of these pieces. Alright. So this side of the meat, I have the beef pocky, and this one is chicken drums. I like them. And then I have wings. I have drums again. I have drums again. I have pockies here. These are pockies also. For the love of the Anna, this is gizzards, kidikilana. I bought 2. This is melalana. This is necks. I also bought 2. This will sustain me for the whole month. If I need to top up, I will. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Have a lovely day and subscribe to my channel, like this video and share. See you in my next video. Bye.